at any point in time. This is the second sitting. And then we had to make our application according to law and law alone. And then the court granted it, dismissing the FIR as it relates to the 4 defendants that were present in court and discharging them. And that ends the matter for the now.
A magistrate court in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, had today dismissed the case filed against a journalist and 3 others who participated in the #EndSARS protest against police brutality in October. There were, however, 2 absentees who had to start a fresh trial on a future date. The 6 were charged with criminal conspiracy, unlawful assembly, public nuisance, and inciting public disturbance. Paul Akinwumi, Devo Chomo, Abdusalam Subiru, Kabiru Ghazali, Yaziru Bashiru, and Oluwatosin Adeniji, a citizen journalist, were arrested by the police during a peaceful protest at the National Assembly Complex in Abuja on Friday, November 6, 2020. The court defense counsel Henry Aguye, who said the court is not a dumping ground, had quoted Section 351, subsection 1 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, praying the court that the case against the 6 defendants is dismissed as the prosecution who brought the matter was absent in court and has also failed to present his case before the court. He stated that one of the absentees, Yaziru Bashiru, a minor, and Kabiru Ghazali, who is sick and receiving traditional treatment in Kaduna, were unable to make it to court. Following this submission by the counsel, Chief Magistrate Musa Abdulrazak Eneyi dismissed the case of the 4 defendants present and declared them discharged and acquitted on the basis that the prosecution lacks diligence according to Section 351. He, however, refused to dismiss the case against the 2 absent defendants, ordering them to appear in court as there was no evidence provided to prove their absence was an indeliberate action. Eneyi said the 2 other defendants will have to apply via a different application and their case was adjourned to February 24. Speaking with the court defense counsel, he said the prosecution was absent in court as there was no case against the defendant, and the same will also happen on the next adjournment for the other 2 absentees.
When we get to the bridge we are going to cross, because it is our laws, the Administration of Criminal Justice Act provides for the dispensing with the presence of certain defendants, like these 2 people now. The court can even try them in absentia and then convict them if they are found guilty. But if they want to sentence them, we have to produce them in court. And that is what the provision of Section 352 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, the provision that succeeds Section 351 that we invoked today, and it worked for us. So when we get to that bridge, we'll cross. On the next adjournment, we are very, very sure that the prosecution would not also be in court because they don't have anything against us.